Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's cute little teddy bear cake topper made out of fondant. So if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So for the cute teddy bear, what I did is that I used Fondant by Wilton, and then I added Tylose or CMC. It's the same thing. The reason why I use Tylose is to speed up the process of drying, especially if you have a humid climate. I will highly suggest you using Tylose or CMC, which will become like kind of like a gum paste. So basically, I colored my fondant. I didn't want it too dark, I didn't want it too pale, so I used a cute little brown by Wilton gel food coloring. So I created a color that I wanted. Once I was pleased with the color, then I went ahead and just made all my shapes. And for the head with the ears and the arms on the body, I glued them with a little bit of water. I just brushed a little bit of water. Water and fondant will create glue, so you don't want a whole lot. You just want a little bit, and then it will stick to your piece. So once you've created your shape, make sure to leave it on your counter for at least 24 hours, okay? Super important, or less, or if you don't do that, your figurine will just drop, and everything will drop. Like the head will be too heavy for the body, and then your body is gonna lose its shape, so don't do that. Wait on your counter so that it dries up, and then you can go ahead and place it onto your cake once everything is dried up. I forgot to mention, to create those cute little holes, what I did is that I took a toothpick and made millions of holes, and that gave like a kind of like a cute little fur look. So I did that for that. And then for the inside of the ears, what I did is that I also brushed a darker edible powder and on the inside. It just gives a little interest. You don't have to do it, but I'm extra like that, so I went ahead and did it. And it just gives a little bit more detail. And then I finished the look with a cute little bow using my bow silicone mold and a cute little satin bow also on the neck. And to glue that, you can use buttercream, gel food coloring, or even candy melts, and then it just sticks there. And then finish with rosy cheeks with a little bit of red or pink edible powder, and that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.